ready? This is Peaches. Oh, they're so sweet. How could they taste sour to him? Did you realize that we forgot the bib? We need to get a bib on him.
Luca, you want your bib? Oh,
Oh no! This dirty bib on the bib on the half here. It almost seems like he doesn't like it, but here. Peaches on your upper lip. Is it good? Are you used to it now? Peaches are Mommy's favorite. Yummy? I think he likes it.
yeah.
He really made that funny face though.
It was surprising. He didn't know. Oh. You like your peach compote?
It's good.
Good.
Did you say good? Oh, why'd you do that?
Good.
We gotta get a paper towel.
Oh, no stealing.
He might like this better than he liked the rice cereal.
Well, you cheated with the rice cereal because you put breast milk in it.
Well, that's how it says to make it. He can't have regular milk, and he shouldn't really have water because there's no nutrition in it. I'm glad he likes it. Certainly likes it better than carrots. He's going to think all food is orange. Well, I guess the rice cereal wasn't orange. Oh. No, look.
What happened?
He's tired. Rubbing his eyes.
Since you put this filthy
I know the bib is
bib
gross.
on me.
It was an emergency bibbing.
Oh, now he wants it. Ooh,
Oh.
what happened?
I don't know why that would have tasted sour. It's very sweet. My goodness.
More?
More? You love this, huh? More? No more? Every now and then it must taste sour to him. I guess there is a little bit of, not sour, but that like tanginess. Oh, he is tired. Okay, I think you're almost done.
One more bite?
Yes, no, want it?
One more bite?
Don't have to have it. Should we give it to Daddy? That's funny, huh? I think you're done.
You want it?
Oh, so you'll eat for Daddy.
More? More? Yeah.
I think he's done.
Okay.
Wow.